I'm so excited to see you guys.
You're watching Tammy B. Jones, where if you don't want to buy it, then just DIY it with your home Inspire.
Hi guys, this is your girl Tammy. I hope you all are in good spirits because I am. I hope you've had a pleasant weekend, and a great week for the rest of this week. I want to share with you the reason why I'm in this closet. As you can see, I'm over here by my little jewelry station, but I have jewelry stations all over my closet, and that's the reason why we're in here today. I got to get this jewelry organized, you guys. I'm going to share with you a special project that I am collaboration with a company called, let me just tell you, it is a jewelry organizer slash mirror. It's that secret compartment that has the door that opens up, and then you can, when you open up to it, you're in your glam station, right? So anyway, I just want to get some control of my jewelry because I tend to like to buy a lot of jewelry, and I tend to not like to get rid of any old jewelry because I take good care of it. I've had my jewelry, some of my jewelry for 10 years and even some for the last 24 hours. So with that being said, I'm going to share with you how to put together this product so that you won't have to worry about reading the descriptions yourself. And I'm going to show you how I hang it. I'm going to show you how I style it with my jewelry pieces. And just to show you how roomy and big it is. Okay, so if you're interested in this, you can get a 50% off coupon if you want to order this product. And let me tell you, it is well worth it. So with the 50% coupon, you can get this product. But to get the coupon, you'll have to share the video, put it on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you share it. And then also, I'm going to offer you a business opportunity. I'll leave all that information in the description box below, but let me just give you a sneak peek of what I'm talking about. So to get in, to do the business opportunity, there are links that you can register to, and you can get your own link on Amazon. It's free of charge. Doesn't cost you a thing. Just register the link, and I'll have the link listed in the description box. And you can use that link to promote the product, and you'll get 10% of the sale in cash from Amazon money. Okay, so how easy is that? It's not like you got to ship it, package it, or process it, or handle it. Amazon will take care of all of that, so it will be just a piece of cake, and you can just sit back and make money. I would post that link on all of my social networks, Facebook, everything. So I'm sure you guys got some friends that you know of, or some people that may be glamorous or into glam or just like styling. So anyway, it's a cute thing to have, and I can't wait to share with you what it looked like. Anyway, I love you so much. Stay tuned, because now I'm going to walk you through my closet and show you exactly how I've been like living in here, because for real, my jewelry is everywhere, even hanging on tacks and hooks and anything I can get it to hang on. It's been hanging because I've run out of space, and it's no shame to my game. I think I'm pretty organized, but this is going to help me 100% get it all back together again. So I hope you guys hang in there and check it out. Love you guys so much. Bye.
first off, when I open the box, it is super, super, super well packed. They even have this little thin paper solid piece of board, which I'm going to keep for a project that protected the mirror from getting broke as well as with the foam. I absolutely love the packaging. So that for sure you can count on your mirror not being broken when you receive it. So what I did was I immediately removed all the foam and I just started tearing away at the foil plastic wrap. And there's still a foil plastic wrap on the mirror so that you can go ahead and work on the project without smudging the mirror. It came with instructions and a small white box inside that you can pull out that had tools in it. So the little box looks just like this, and it says, "Do not disregard this box," because this is the most important pieces to get it put together. So you have the hooks that go on the back of the box that you hang on the mirror that you hang on the door, and they have 3 holes in each for different sizes. It comes with the screws, the screws, and if you want to mount it to the wall instead, you have that option as well. And it comes with a set of keys. That's a surprise. I wasn't expecting that. And then this Velcro strip. And the directions are so, so clear, you guys. So it's so simple. I discovered also through the directions that there was a light up top. So you will need 3 AAA batteries to fill this part. And you just remove the top. You don't have to unscrew anything. And I'm using Duracell batteries because my house is always battery ready. Okay, so it took 3 of the batteries, and I'm going to slide the third one in and put the top on. And you don't have to screw the top down. You just turn the switch on, and you leave it on the on switch because this light is monitored by the door movement. If the door opens, the light comes on. If the door closes, the light goes off. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. So this is how the cabinet looks. There's a little button on the inside for when the door closes, it presses up against it. Okay, originally I didn't think I was going to need a drill, but I end up using it. But all you need is really a Phillips head screwdriver for this project because I'm going to be hanging mine over the door versus mounting it to the wall, which you do have that option. So what I'm going to do now is just take the hooks. This is so simple, you guys. And just line them up evenly with these 2 holes and just put them on. And I want it to be a little bit longer or lower. So I'm going to use the last 2 holes on the end. And the screws just screw right in. It's already pre-drilled holes, and the holes have metal inside, so it was really easy to screw. You can almost really do it with your hand, but I wanted to make sure that it was tight, so I used my Phillips head screwdriver. And I basically did the same thing for the other side. And with this method, you don't need a ruler. You don't have to worry about any of that unless you decide to mount it to the wall. I want to say that this jewelry box is pretty heavy and it smells like cedar wood. Not sure what type of wood it is or even if it's real wood, but it definitely looks like real wood. And it has like a whitewash finish on it, you guys. It's so super pretty. And even though my closet is black, it goes well with this white cabinet because my door is white and it blends in so well. I'm just double checking, making sure everything is super, super tight. And then I'm going to try it on the wall before I cover up the screw holes. So it fit very nicely over the door. It's a full length mirror. It still has the plastic filming over it. And I love that they did that so that you can handle it without putting your fingerprints all over the mirror. Okay, so along with the nails, it came with these 4 felt cushiony padding you use to cover the screws. This is also going to protect your door from getting scratched. When you're hanging it on the door, it's very soft. Velcro, well, not Velcro, but just a velvety feeling type of cushion for your back of the cabinet to protect your door. Can you see the whitewash finish on this product? It looks amazing. It is super, super pretty, you guys. You really need to check this out. I really recommend it. I was surprised at how big it was inside. It's huge. Now you see these bolts, all the holes on the outside of the film. This is where if you want to have it flush and permanent a fixture to your wall. So that's why those holes are there. But we're not going to need that. And if you was to use that part, you'll definitely need a drill. For the Velcro strip that they provided, you'll need to put this at the bottom. This also helps to seal it to the door as well, so that when you're opening and closing your door, your jewelry box don't bounce. But trust me, I tried it without the Velcro and it wasn't moving anyway. So I'm just going to put it right along the bottom here, so that when I hang it on the back of the door, this will seal, this will also stick to the door as well for any bouncing. Make sure it's on really well. And then you just peel the other sticky part off on the corner so that it can stick on both sides. And you only, when you're applying it, you only want to peel off one side first so that you can use the other to blend it in. So I went ahead and peeled it off before hanging it on the door. And now I'm going to hang it, you guys. We're almost done. I'm so excited. This is a one-person job, you guys. As you can see, I did this by myself. It does have a little weight to it, so I did it by myself. And my door jams, it sticks, it swells, but as you can see, that closes evenly on my door. Now, another thing I noticed is that the inside of the jewelry cabinet came upside down. So all of the little slits were upside down. I didn't understand why that was. So I noticed that there's screws on there. I think it was some kind of mistake. So I'm going to just take them off and turn it around. So I remove that piece for the earring holders, and I'm going to put it back right side up. And this is what it looks like. So now my slits are up top. And I'm just adding the screws back in the same holes. This is the only part that I needed a drill for because they were super, super tight. And this looks so much better. And now you can hang. So here is the plastic film. I am now unveiling the mirror. Voila. Okay, so as I told you, there is a key on the side of the cabinet. And look at the white, how it blends in with the door. So this is definitely beautiful. And I'm keeping it this color. Okay, so using the key is how you keep it closed, and how you open it. So this is how it looks, guys, with jewelry. And I've completely styled it. And I've added almost all of my rings in there that would fit. This is how the door like opens and closes, that little push button. I'm going to show you once again. So when the door closes, it's smashed up against that. And when it's open, the light's on. So the ring or holders were pretty big. It's over 100. It can hold over 100 rings. But I have some rings that are, the bottom of them is really soft and bendable. So I didn't want to put them inside. I have half, I'll say a good 80% of my jewelry is in this shelf, you guys. I'm so amazed at how much jewelry I was able to put in here. And I even was able to put beadings and heavier pieces in here. And I didn't think I was going to be able to do that. But I was. And I was like, oh, this is amazing. So I want to show you different textures of jewelry that I use in this cabinet, starting from the top. And I love the slits because now I can hang all of my looped earrings. The beading jewelry had a perfect resting place. You can also use this area to hold bracelets as well. Over to the right side, I used it for all my golds. As you can see, I still have plenty of room for more pieces to hang. There's empty hooks there. Behind the cushion is velvet fabric, and it also has a hideaway um, pocket back there. And the pocket, you can either put your jewelry in it to keep it from jiggling or getting tangled, or you can hide your most precious, expensive pieces in there if you have anything that was real that you didn't want to be discovered. Absolutely love that about this. This is super, super amazing. I think it's absolutely beautiful. There also is another pocket there that catches your jewelry so that it won't dangle. And below are really deep pockets, wide pockets that I put some of my other costume jewelry in, and alongside some bracelets down beneath. And it also has two drawers at the bottom. Guys, yes, 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 yes. They thought of everything. Okay, so this is a really pretty piece too as well. So I put my studs in one, and I also put earrings that goes with some of the pieces that are already hanging in this cabinet. This cabinet is gorgeous. Can you see the brush whitewash wood? For all you farmhouse lovers, this will be a perfect fit in your room. Absolutely love how this looks. This thing holds a lot of jewelry. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? It's amazing. It definitely put a dent in my room, and now it made everything just so worth it. Although I did not get rid of all the earrings, but as you can see, it's not as cluttered as it looked before. And let's just pan around here. I still have some jewelry pieces over here in the trays that were just too bulky. But I don't have jewelry hanging from the shoe rack and on the shelves. And I still have jewelry, rightfully so, in this area as well. And up on top, of course. Okay, guys, so I want you to get this coupon 50% off. This item costs $119. 50% off of that would be $59. Okay, so all you have to do is share, like, and thumbs up this video. And don't forget to check out the description box to see how you can make money off this product. Don't forget. Love you guys. Bye.